This is my Mini and today we're gonna prepare it for its MOT.
Yeah, man, who bigger than them, bigger than them, bigger than them. Ain't nobody bigger than him. On his own throne, ain't nobody sitting with him. Y'all small guys, ain't nobody bigger than him.
We have been doing a lot of work on the Mini in previous episodes, but that does not mean that it's done. And I just realized you guys haven't heard it start up after we put the engine back in. So why don't we try and see if the car starts? Alright, let's see what this thing will do. A lot of noises. Well, I think at least we can call that a success. But now that the engine is running, everything is done on that part. Still gotta take it out for a test drive, but before I can do that, there are a couple of things that I will need to take care of. And one of those things is, first of all, these brakes, they are totally shot, like the lip is immense, the pads are totally worn, but a bigger thing lays all the way back there, which is basically the joint that holds the triangle up. Those bolts are seized in the chassis, so I'm gonna try to get them out now, because honestly, with that thing being loose, it's undrivable. So that's one of the priorities for today, and then we're gonna move on to the brakes and the suspension. To give you guys a better understanding of what's going on, that's the two bolts right there in the back, which I have to loosen. They're totally seized, so I'm gonna do my best to get them out and replace that knuckle. So I'm gonna start with taking off this thing here, and then hopefully we gain a bit more access to those bolts. I'm not looking forward to this. For a whole week I've been lubricating these bolts every day I came home, because I actually started a new adventure in my life. This is also why I don't have that much time anymore, because I decided to become a professional mechanic. I'm right now working for a big brand as a mechanic, and I'm learning a lot. Like, it's a day and night difference of working here in my garage and being in a professional environment. So I'm very thankful that I got the opportunity to do that. But of course, this also means that it takes a lot of my time. I already didn't have much time. So yeah, that's a little bit of a hurdle, but you know what? We're gonna keep going, and it will be good for the channel to learn new things.
Heavy hitters, hitters, heavy, heavy hitters, hitters, heavy. Heavy hitter, hard body, I'm ready. Heavy hitter, forever, you won't forget. Heavy hitter, all the time, I'm ready. Heavy hitter, in the game, I'm heavy. Dominate the game, I ain't come to play. Give me mine right now, I ain't come to wait. Flies a feather, but I'm a heavyweight. Let it all add up.
This is not the most fun job.
They know I'm deep rooted. Got it on fire. They say I am the coolest. Won't turn down. I won't never cool it. Getting to the checks, boy. That's the way I do it.
Now I don't know how much the camera picked up of that, because apparently the battery was empty, stopped recording, and by the time I noticed, I have everything back together. So the good news is that that part in there is done. So yeah, we can move on to the brakes. Finally some upgrades. So that means these bad boys can go on. But I have a feeling that it will not be as easy as I think it will be. The lip on these is like 2 millimeters, so yeah, I think it's really time to replace these discs. But what I'm afraid of is this retention screw here. So we will try to get this out. In the worst case, we have to drill it out. Yeah. All right. All right. That thing ain't going anywhere, in my opinion. Like, even with this breaker bar on, it's literally just stripping. Oh my god. And then stuff like this happens. But I might have seen a little bit of movement in there, so let me try once again. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Yeah. Yeah, okay. It would of course be handy if you have a drill that actually drills. Lo and behold, we have a winner. I got the head drilled off of there, so at least that's something good. And yeah, let's hope that we don't run in any more unpredicted issues, I would say. So let's continue.
Why does everybody wanna be something? Me, I'd rather just be myself. Talking all loud but ain't saying nothing. Seems more like a cry for help. Some days I just really wanna fit in. Most days I don't even really care. Feels like being real is gone missing. Tell me, are you there? Cause I tried this for so long. Tried to fit inside this box that's way too small.
Look at that. This is all grooved. Big lip on the outside. Yeah, and from the discoloring on the disc I can tell that it once run too hot. So I'm happy we're replacing these.
I'm feeling so free at last. I just don't wanna be cool. I just don't wanna be.
So I was thinking, like, let me first give you the beauty shot of the new brake discs and brake pads that I installed. Very nice, but then if you pan here, this is everything I had to pull out of my closet just to get that retaining screw all out, drilled out. I had to tap new threads in there. Horrible. So I'm gonna continue doing the other side now, and then yeah, then I think it's time that it can go to this MOT, and we'll see what the result's gonna be. Alright guys, I am now on my way to the MOT for the car. Now I'm not very confident in what's gonna happen here, and unfortunately I'm not allowed to film in there, so yeah, I will let you guys know when it's done, I guess. So I'm back from the MOT. What I have here in my hand is the result of the test, and let me tell you, it's not what I expected. So basically, I'm just gonna show you. No advisories, no nothing. The car passed. MOT passed without any single remark, any single advisory. So that means we did our job correctly. So obviously the question is, what's gonna happen with this Mini now? And honestly, I don't know. I was thinking of keeping it, driving it myself, but let's be honest, it's not a very comfortable car to drive. It's a bit rowdy, let's say it like that. Also, my wife, she would like to do her driver's license, and she would prefer to do it in an automatic. I know, don't start, I know. So I'm still debating if either I'm gonna keep this car and gonna do more mods on it, like wheels, coilovers, whatever. I also still have the Miltec exhaust that I can or have to put on, I don't know. And then just, in general, give it a whole, makeover. I already did quite a lot, like I blacked it out. There is no more chrome on the car. There is an Android unit in it. We basically did a lot. We have the Alcantara or the suede headliner that we put in, the suede armrests that we put in. Of course, we did a full engine overhaul. The engine came out, so that's all done. The boot, which was totally rusted through with holes in it, we took off, we repainted it. So I mean, it's something I will have to think about, what I will do in the future with this car. And I want to thank you all for watching this video and to join me on this adventure with this Mini for all the episodes that we had on it. So maybe there will be more, maybe not, I don't know. It might be that the next car we're gonna see is gonna be something completely different, but you know what? It's a surprise for you, it's a surprise for me. We're gonna see. Thank you.